I had already had my teeth extracted. I'd been wearing a partial, but it just wasn't comfortable for me. Poly grip and all that, everything like that.
So we sat down and talked to Eric. He had a partial denture for a while and was really unhappy with that. So we looked at the options of some single dental implants restored with porcelain crowns, really give him back his ability to chew and smile like he wants to.
I felt real comfortable. Everybody was really friendly. They broke it down, explained everything, walked me through how each procedure would go, the timing, the time frame, and how everything would be. And I felt comfortable enough to decide to say yes.
We really like to present all options to patients. We feel that it's our duty to help them make a good decision about the treatment options that they choose, and really that's only done with full disclosure and transparency about all the options that we can put on the table.
Dr. Harrell was more of a perfectionist, so if it was not perfect, he was not letting it go. He would fix it, tweak it, make sure. He wanted it to look as real as possible. And I appreciate that, because some people would be like, just get the job done, But he actually took heed in his work and he put in effort, and I appreciate that.
We want to make sure that our patients get a top quality result, that the look, the fit, the finish of everything that we do is superior to anything else that they might have received in dental treatment in the past.
And I think it's a good environment. Regardless if you're nervous or not, they'd take all that away. It's a good place to be.